Hello everyone, my name is Kamila. Today we will sculpt characters from the game Garrus mod. Just Joking in mod called Banana Eater is a redraw of a famous YouTuber who makes Trevor Henderson videos. It has two phases, crawling and normal. As the quote says, it kills people who does not subscribe to him. Anyone who does not subscribe to Just Joking, he will come after you. This is all the information I know about this character. If you know more descriptions, write in the comments under this video. Such a banana eater I got. With crazy eyes and sharp teeth. If you like, put like. Cartoon mouse is a mysterious cartoon cryptid. He is more shy and friendly than cartoon cat or cartoon dog, but still works for them. He doesn't like the fact that cartoon cat and cartoon dog kill and eat people, but is too afraid to say anything, especially since cats eat mice. He actually tries to help people when cartoon cat isn't watching, and sometimes it works. He's also too scared to quit his job with cartoon cat because he's afraid he might get himself eaten. He's not that strong, so he can't really fight back against anything. However, that all changes with his killer form, but that's a story for another time. Before a cartoon creature, cartoon mouse was a lab rat named Bartholomew who was injected with some of cartoon cat's DNA by some scientists, turning him into cartoon mouse. He now holds a grudge against those scientists. As such, he won't stop cartoon cat from killing scientists and might even help sometimes. You can see what happened from 2 burned lab entries that were salvaged from the Burntown lab. Special thanks to everyone who watched the video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and click on the bell so as not to miss the new video.